In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automate Freshsales. Freshsales includes workflow automation, which helps you handle repetitive tasks in the background. This can save time, keep your data consistent, and make sure follow-ups happen on schedule. We will walk through creating a workflow from start to finish. Begin by opening Freshsales and going to the admin settings area. Look for the gear icon on the left sidebar. Click it to open your administrative options. From there, find and select Manage Workflows. Depending on your layout, it may appear under sections like Teams and Territories or Automations, but the goal is to get to the Workflow Management screen. Once you are on the Workflows page, start a new automation by clicking the Create Workflow button. This is where you will define what the workflow is called, what it watches for, and what it does. Next, define the basics. Give your workflow a clear descriptive name so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you create several automations over time. Then choose the module the workflow should run on. For example, you might select Contacts, Accounts, or Deals. This choice is important because it determines which records the workflow can evaluate and update. Now set the trigger, which is the event that starts the workflow. Choose whether it should run when a record is created, when a record is updated, or based on a specific date and time. Use the created for immediate actions on new records, updated for changes such as stage updates, and date or time triggers for scheduled follow-ups. After that, add conditions to control which records are affected. Click Add Condition and define your rules, such as a specific lead stage. If you need more than one rule, use AND or OR logic to group them correctly. Keep conditions as precise as possible so the workflow runs only when it should. Then add actions, which are the results when your conditions are met. Select what you want Freshsales to do, like update a field, send an email, add a task, or trigger a webhook. Match actions to your goal, and make sure each action supports a consistent process. Finally, review everything for accuracy, then click Enable to make the workflow live. That covers everything you need to know.